Good morning, students. Welcome back to online classes. Now, last sessions we have completed 2 units. Now, students, be alert, be aware for our 10th standard. So here, unit 3. Now, that is the theme here is human relations. Students, generally, we are missing human relations. We should prefer outward appearance than our relations. We shouldn't give any respect to our family members, to our society. We should give more importance outward, that is friends, neighbors. Okay, children. So here, child is the father of the man. Beginning after mother's womb, the child was born. The child, it doesn't have any connections except mother. It doesn't know about anything. The child gradually learns almost all these things. Again, at the old age of any individual, behaves like a child. He forgot almost all these things. So, at that age, the child, the old man here, beginning the child, finally the old man. The old man wants to interact almost all kinds of people. He wanted to share his experience, which is past, how he led his life. Now children, all of you open your textbook, page number 80, I think here 79, 80 page. Now look this picture, children, look this picture. This the picture here is, look the picture here. You are seeing an old man. The old man sits on the here floor in front of the house. He wants to interact. For these people, students, here are some children, that is they are playing, and here is the man. He is carrying, that is goats, and these two women pumping the water, and here is a group of people. Then here an old man wants to interact any one of these group because he wanted to share his experience when he was young, when he was in the middle age, when he was, that is, old age. Now children, now let's follow almost all. Look at textbook, take your textbook, pencil, note down, that is, first, as I sit here alone and waiting. Here I refers to an old man. He is sitting alone. That means last stage. That is, he or she, the old man lost everything because his sons or daughters settled their life. They are far away from him. So, he is alone and waiting. Waiting means he wanted to chat. He wanted to share his feelings, his experience to others. I gaze. I means old man. Gaze means look fixedly. Here is. This is gazing. At people passing me by. Here is people are passing along the streets. But the old man he sat on the veranda of the house and he is looking almost all kinds of people who are passing. I try to smile. The old man try to smile. He gives a smile to anybody else. I try to smile and reach out to them. He is smiling to reach his love towards all these people who are working, who are that is playing, especially children. But no one should see the old man. Because people thought that the old man's nothing. He doesn't have anything else. People thought that generally. He is a madman. He is a madman. People thought that, Muslim వాడి దగ్గర ఏమంటారు తినేస్తాడు రా బోర్ రా వాడు ఇదే చెప్తాడు మనకి ఏం అర్థం కాదు. These thoughts should develop in people's mind naturally. They appear to be afraid of greetings to an old man. They appear, that is, hi, that is, people are afraid that, because when people that is greeting, the old man is coming or the old man is calling, please come and sit, let's share. That is. Next, fourth line. But no one notices, no one makes. No one notices, no one is looking, no one is observing, no one notices, no one waits. None of them people are waiting. They are passing one by one, one by one. They took me like I am nothing. How people, how they are acting, how they are behaving. They are behaving, he doesn't have anything. He has nothing. He has nothing. But one thing, children, he has a lot of experience about his life. It is very essential. Nowadays children generally, most of the families, children, especially they don't know their grandparents' names. They don't have any interact. If they visited their houses, especially grandmother or grandfather, even though they did not observe, they did not, that is, greet them. That is, they are in the rooms. They didn't come out, they didn't interact. We found this is the situation 99% of the families in modern life. But this is not right. Children, we want some experience of life, how people are facing difficulties, how they overcome. It is very essential for us. In this way, we should develop human relations. We won't find human relations in the society. Why? Because people are busy with their work. Everyone should lead their life sophisticated, luxurious manner. So they are running, they are pleasers, catch the money, want money, more and more money. In this way, people lose their valuable time to spend with their family members. Generally, myself, I took so many classes, many places, visited many places. I lost my time. I didn't spend my valuable time to my family, because if I can spare 1 hour for something, for my family, I want to, that is, put my family in a good position. I want to bring almost all kinds of things for my family members, because I am doing so much work. It is. So being a selfish, and a human being is selfish naturally. So that in this way, losing human relations. Almost all, not that is, almost all people, they are running this way or that way, they are losing, that is, they are wasting their time, even they are earning money. They should prefer to earn money than spending with their family members. When they realized, when they became, that is, 60 years or 70 years, they reached, we lost everything. That is. After realization, what happened? Nothing. That is very important. Children, you should know, that is the very important is relations. You should give importance of relations, and you should know the relation, the value of the human especially relations. That is, they look to me like I am nothing. They means here people in the society. Or they are afraid to be seen saying hi. People are thought that they are going to say they are greeting even hi. These are almost all expressions by an old man in a spontaneous manner. He wants to interact almost all kinds of people, but no one should greet him, no one should come him. That is, to an old man like me. Here is what is the accept. Accept means extract about. An old man's lonely feelings. His inner feelings. His only lonely feelings and inner feelings. How do people respond to the old man's smile? He wants to interact all, but no one should greet him. He wanted to interact almost all kinds of people. He was calling almost all people to spend some time with them and sharing his views about experience of his life. How should old people be treated so that they do not feel neglected? They have spent almost all their energies and time. The welfare of their young people should spend most of our time. Now children, we understand only one thing. We should give importance of human relations, not money. Okay, money is everything. It is needed. It is compulsion to our life. But it is enough. It is sufficient. But we should develop the human relations. As you know, in the Telugu picture, I am going to remember you, all Nalaguru. In the movie, Rajendra Prasad, he is making almost all kinds of good things for the society. Even though he sacrificed everything for an insurance policy for some peon in his office. So after his death, that is, so many people, innumerable people, that is, remember, that is his sacrifice gathered. That is, it is a good reputation. That he only, that is human relations. Now children, let us start page number 81. The journey. Here is the quotations I am going to say. Life is a journey. As you know, life is a journey. You know, life is a journey. That is, bus, train. It, that is life, doesn't have any stops or stages. Beginning to ending. From Hyderabad to Tirupati. Then starting Hyderabad to Tirupati. So many stages. Someone dropped some stages. That is, some people, that is, they lost their life. They died 10 years. Some they died 20 years. Some 50 years. Some 80 years. So only the destination is here is death. The life destination is here is death. But it is going on. It is going on. The journey. Here is a good quotation I am going to remember you. Life is a journey. It doesn't have any stages and any stops. Only the destination. The destination here is refers to death. Okay. Next, I am going to start first paragraph. Now children, you take that is textbook and see the first paragraph of the line. You use that is your forefinger of the line. What I am going to read. After spending a leisure, you know, leisure means that is, as you know, here is free time. That is, we want to do anything like that. So, leisurely Sunday at home. Generally, we are waiting for Sunday. We are looking for Sunday. Because, especially Sunday, we want to, that is, to relax, especially. Everyone, that is human psychology. Everyone wants to, that is Sunday. Especially, after spending a leisurely Sunday at home, the very thought of returning to work on Monday is tiring. Generally, after completion of Sunday, the Monday, beginning of the Monday is that is a lethargy, laziness. Generally, returning to work, that is, you should go attend, that is, school on Monday, or we should go to offices or colleges or any jobs, especially. Particularly here is Monday is tiring, but it's kind of something is there. Just here is there. Lethargy creeps in if the holiday continues over an extended period. So generally people's psychology is there. It should be continue. Holiday should be continue from Sunday to Monday. సండే చక్కగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసాం. ఫీలింగ్ ఎట్లా ఉంటుందంటే మండే కూడా సెలవు వస్తే బాగుంటుంది. Monday, when we attend college or school or offices or anything like that, we want to attend them because it's kind of feeling that is lethargy. That is lethargy. It is some laziness, some drowsiness. లాంటి బద్ధకం. సండే ఎంజాయ్ చేసాం, మండే స్కూల్కి రావాలి, కాలేజ్కి వెళ్ళాలి, ఆఫీసెస్కి వెళ్ళాలి. మండే కూడా సెలవు వస్తే కొంచెం హ్యాపీ ఫీల్ అవుతాం కదా, కొంచెం బాగుంటుంది కదా అంటుండే. ఇట్స్ ఎ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ థింకింగ్ వీ హ్యావ్ దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ అవర్ memories are in our that is there. Okay children, we will continue the next class. Please, one thing, you have to read the textbook and understand clearly. You are in 10th standard, your exams will be must. Children, don't think otherwise. Your exams must be conducted. We have completed first 2 units, then started 3 units, so don't be neglect, please. Thank you.